always giving you more time out of your everyday life and giving you more better work-life balance. What I'm trying, we as entrepreneurs, as managers, as professionals, as students, as job seekers, try to read everything every day. Whatever is relevant to us, we try to go through so many articles, so many things which might impact us. Okay, and in the process, we end up majority of our day, reading so many things which might or might not be relevant to us and not focusing on the core things. So what I want to do is create a platform wherein you say, okay, that in a day I want to see only 45 minutes things which are most relevant to me. Okay, I watch only from 11 to 11:45 p.m. I want to see things which are most relevant to me. So it delivers you that. What if in another case, another use case, you have been out for a vacation for 10 days. Now you want to see in next 2 hours what was the most important thing relevant to you, personalized to you, which happened during that. So that platform gives you, so algorithm plus your usage will be, you will, and I need a lot of techies for this because I'm a business guy.
Thank you.
Everybody's welcome, yeah.
What is the name of it?
I will name it.
Okay, this is my second pitch. This idea is called Where's My Child? This is not a profit-making venture, it's more like a social venture. The idea is this, there's a lot of women and children who are kidnapped and often sold. We do not know where they are going. There are a lot of people missing, we cannot identify them. You might see them, but do you recognize any photograph that you see that such a person has been missing? What we want, the second use case for this particular one is when there's a disaster. A lot of people are missing very quickly. There's not enough infrastructure to deal with that kind of, so many missing people. What I intend to do with this application is if you see a person who's probably missing or who's being what is called human trafficked, you take a photograph and you upload it. In the backend, what we do on the website is to collect all this from police databases and other humanitarian databases, do a comparison of portfolio and portrait, and see if these people can be found. Developers looking for developers. Thank you.
Go.
Sumit here again. It's a mashup of my idea of a public iCloud and somebody spoke about OCR, optical recognition. So my idea is very simple. Older people are not able to read very well and they need assistance. Most of these times we are not around. So we create an Android or an iPhone app which you can point at a written text and it reads out the text back to the old person. Very simple. I think it makes a lot of sense.
Who do you want?
This is again a mashup, so it sort of extends to my original idea of, the moment content starts to flow, videos and pictures start to flow across, you can create such ideas very quickly. I want Android and iPhone developer for this one.
Thank you.
Hi, this is Akshay again. My idea is tutor.
The idea is Looking Glass.
Yeah, this is Akshay again. My idea is tutor next. So, if you are aware of, there are a couple of local tutors in a remote village or remote city who is excellent in mathematics. But you got to know, but you don't have a reach to it. So, if you have a kind of connection in which people will say upload their demo video, the intro video, or the type of video that they how they teach, then and the other people can see. They can connect over the internet and see those tutorials, see those videos, lectures, and that way he can connect to the whole India. And I'm looking for the front end and the back end developers. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi guys, again. It is about askme.com. It's like it's subscription-based solution for all whatever the problem you're facing with. In various phases of life, you go different requirements would be different. See, for example, you got newly married, and then your wife has conceived, and you don't want to drop the kid and go for abortion. You don't know which doctor. You will get suddenly lost. What should I do now? So my this one would be, it will help the people, instead of talking to friends somewhere else, first thing you should do is talk to me. I will provide the best doctor available for the service. Similarly, you were looking for a, curtains in a house, newly built house, where should you go? You don't know, you need to go to Sabina Plaza where you get a lot of curtains. So my solution, you have to talk to me. Yeah, it will cater to finance and education and whatever it is. It's a family-based subscription I provide. Thanks. Thank you. Who do you want? I want how to do that.
Thank you. My name is Naveen. This idea is about a company which specializes in creating virals. And the idea is that we will understand the science of virals. And the viral content could be in the form of audio, video, or short-form game, anything. The idea is that you'll understand the science of virals, and the revenue would be such that, like, the more viral the stuff goes, the more you get proportional to that. So that's the idea. Thanks. I look for good storytellers because I think it's about narration, great narration. What's the name of your? It's Viral X.
Start.
It's Sanjay again. So the second idea is something which gets a live wait time at restaurants. I mean, we go to Pizza Hut and check and see that there is some 15 minutes wait time. Then we go to some Shanti Sagar or some BJ and Group, and again there is some wait time. We go to the third restaurant. So we spend a lot of time on the roads and it's very frustrating. So instead of that, if you have a mobile application or even a website which shows the live wait time at least a good recognized restaurant, then you can just check the live wait time and then go to that restaurant directly instead of wasting time on the roads. So I need somebody who, I mean, if I'm targeting mobile application initially, so I need somebody who's good in developing applications on mobile, be it on iOS or on Android. Thank you. I'm Sanjay and this can be called wait time or anything.
Thank you.
Hope you guys remember Shastra. This one's even better. This one's called Two-Legged Utopia or Two-Luto. It's not chewing gum, but hopefully the site will be as sticky as chewing gum. What will empower you to do is, while social networking or Facebook define who you are, what's important is for this economy, for 2012, not to be like 2012, what we need is to actually show what you can do online. So basically you have virtual workplaces from where people can buy off stuff. Let me give you an example. I like cricket and I like guitars along with entrepreneurship. I could sell Yamaha guitars and BDM bats and actually quit my job and start up. Now for all you entrepreneurs there, this might be a holy grail. This is also ending quick. Thank you very much.
Who do you want?
I need developers and designers as usual.
Thank you.
How many? All of us guys know something about. We have our own. What to say? We have something which we are experts at. Okay. So there are some people who are out there who want to learn about it. So why waste your knowledge? You can share your knowledge, and why share your knowledge for free? You can charge for it. And this is this is a plan to launch a site where you can say that I'm expert at making pancakes, and somebody wants to say I want to learn pancakes. Okay, so he comes to you. He says, who is the best pancake expert here? And then you have a lot of reviews over there. He is the best pancake maker, and so he comes to you and learns it, and you get money for it. We can make a profit by having some percentage out of it. You know something, somebody learns something out of it, making money. Simple. I need a developer, and my name is Manjunath. The last thing was Vote For Me, and this is Vote For Me version 2. It's name.
Thank you.
Hello everybody, this is Ravi again. I have a kind of, this is more of a kind of an appeal to reach out to people who have similar interests. So basically the thing is, in most of renewable sources, solar energy, wind energy, most of the energy is intermittent. So solar you cannot use in the night time, wind you can only use in certain weather conditions. So I'm looking out for people who are enthusiastic about energy storage technologies. If there is anybody, just reach out to me.
Hi, I'm Samir again. The name of this idea is Remote Desk. As one of our speakers previously mentioned, that a successful startup is something that does something better or changes the way things work. What I want to do is provide or develop a set of softwares that include video conferencing, task assignment, and some additional features that require brainstorming, that allows a company to hire someone who's not at their facility and who's at a remote location. That basically allows them to get people who are lower wage and can do stuff that doesn't require enough face time. And it's remote desk, we need a bunch of developers and people can brainstorm. Thank you.
Thank you.
I guess Raj again, I hope you remember Medicare, the previous idea. This one is not so much of profit, but it's more like benefiting the society. It's about a blood bank which would be accessible to the masses. The benefit for people who donate blood is reports of whatever they want completely free, because I think reports are, bloods are tested anyway once it's donated. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So who would I require? Probably marketers, doctors, I guess. And I'm sort of a name, so give me blood, hopefully. Thank you.
Chandika, and I'm from Sri Lanka, right? So normally a meal from home would consist of 5 curries and some main like a roti or rice and so on. But the problem is, whenever you look, it's like the same permutation and combination of 7 dishes in different ways. But when you actually think about it, there are hundreds of dishes that you can actually cook at home that go well together, but someone who's cooking is not really thinking about what are the other alternatives. Just cook whatever that's on the top of your mind, and that's it. So you end up with the same stuff every day, day in, day out. So what if you had a little app that helps you make choices based on the ingredients that you have from things that match each other, right? So dish X won't go with dish Y. So I'm looking for developers and designers. It'll be a great thing for every household if it works out.
Thank you. Yes. Hi. This is again another idea based on food itself. Most of us have relatives or loved ones who are hospitalized and who come back home and they have to eat a prescribed food for recovery. So it so happens that because of your busy schedules and you cannot prepare the kind of food that is required for them. So this could be I'm thinking of an application or a web app or a website where you can just enter the patient data and the kind of food that a person is supposed to eat. So you just enter this data and you just leave it, and at what time it has to be delivered to the person, it will be delivered whatever it is, like rice without, sambar without salt or whatever thing. Just put it in and then it's right there delivered at the set time to the doorstep of your loved one. It could also be to your own self. If you want health foods and if you can't prepare health food for yourself, you can just log in and enter the data, and every day it's delivered to you. I don't know who I'm looking for. Probably could help. Thank you.
So this is the first pitch. So yeah, my name is David, and the idea struck me in last 10 minutes only. So idea is like Let's Crib. So it's an online website where like websites are online. So make a website where you come and crib anything, vent your frustration out. So online platform where you come and vent your frustration out. So I'm looking for developer and one more business person.
Thank you.
Okay, my name is Vishwa, second pitch. I'm planning to build a website wherein a lot of people, busy moms and people who want to burn their calories, plan their meal for the week in advance. It is integrated with all grocery deals and location-based kind of services, wherein whatever you plan to eat for that week is all very well planned, and you get deals out of it, and maybe it could deliver to your home. There are a lot of portals that are coming up who can deliver all these meals, so it's an integrated platform which will help you. I need some developers.
Thank you. What is the name of your? 10 seconds left.
My name is Ravi. I have a question to ask. How many of you joined the gym on the 1st of January and never visit that gym after 1 month or 1 week or whatever? Okay. I see the problem. It's because it's too redundant and too monotonous. So I have a solution here to propose that it can provide you clubbing the various activity, say gym, spa, yoga, this, everything you can think of in the very same price, which you pay while you join a gym for 1 year or so, and that's it.
Thank you. Who do you want and what's the name?
I need, first of all, many business development guys here.
personal assistant. The problem is like everybody has mundane activities. Okay, like we repeat things every day most of the time. Probably 10 to 15% are like different. So some assistant, okay, some software which captures all these mundane activities and keep alarming you every day so that you don't miss out them. I need a developer and a designer.
Thank you. I'm Nikhil, I'm pitching my first idea. So if you have a girlfriend or a wife and she wants a Gmail account password or your Facebook password, you just can't say no because that'll get you into a fight, right? So what do you do now? So you do give us the password, but then there's a platform where you can hide stuff and then give her the password. So we make a small app where you hide stuff and then give her the password so she sees all that, some privacy protected stuff, and then you can
So who do you want?
I want to develop and design.
Thank you. What is the name of your
Highly dirty secret.
So this is the last pitch of the evening. This is the last pitch.
Okay, so this is again related to a personal problem. While I'm going around hunting houses, it's a pain. I see the address online and then I go and I can't find the house. So while I'm on the go, I want to see what houses near me are free and if the owner is available or not. That's about it. I need a developer and one business character only. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, name for this house hunting online on the go.